Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're shining a light on what we believe to be the best Apple string lights on the market, the Rossesay 2PC's back-to-school window lights. These charming red apple-shaped lights are perfect for anyone looking to brighten up their space with a fun, thematic decoration, especially for the back-to-school season. Each set comes with two apple-shaped window lights, each measuring about 11.8 inches long for the light portion and a total height of nearly 24 inches including the hanging rope. These lights are thoughtfully designed with classic first day of school colors of vibrant red and green that instantly bring a nostalgic and cheerful vibe to your windows or any space you choose to decorate. The apple shape is not only cute but also iconic, making them an ideal addition for classrooms, parties, or home decor that celebrates the start of a new school year. One of the standout features of these window lights is their smart remote control. With the included remote, you can switch between 8 different lighting modes. Whether you want a steady glow, a flicker effect, or different brightness levels, this remote gives you full control to set the perfect mood. Additionally, there's a convenient timer function, allowing you to automate the lights to turn off after a certain period, which is perfect for hassle-free decorating. Installation is a breeze thanks to the built-in suction cups, so you can hang these lights effortlessly on any smooth surface like windows, doors, or mirrors. Plus, because they are battery-operated, you have the freedom to place them indoors or outdoors without worrying about finding an electrical outlet. Just keep in mind that batteries are not included in the package, so you'll need to supply those yourself. The materials used are lightweight plastic, making the lights easy to handle and hang without any heavy hardware. Despite their delicate look, these lights are versatile and durable enough to be used year after year for back-to-school events or even other festive occasions where a playful, bright accent is needed. Whether you're a parent looking to make the first day of school extra special, a teacher wanting to add some festive spirit to the classroom, or just someone who loves fun, themed lighting, these Rossesay Apple window lights are a fantastic choice. They add a warm, colorful glow and a touch of classic charm that's hard to find in other seasonal decorations. In summary, the Rossesay 2PC's back-to-school window lights combine tradition with modern convenience, delivering a delightful decorating experience with easy setup, versatile placement, and customizable lighting options. If you're looking to bring that back-to-school excitement into your home or classroom, these apple-shaped string lights might just be what you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.